everyone, welcome to Hot tbsp. Today we're gonna make spring roll rice noodle with pomegranate sauce. Easy, delicious and light meal. Let's get started. Alright, prepare tofu. Use a paper towel to dry it. I'm going to use it for a filling. After it dries very well, I'm gonna cut into half, then cut into strips. Now I'm gonna squeeze pomegranate that I removed its seeds already. We need 100 ml of its juice. One pomegranate will make about 90 to 120 ml of juice. It depends on how big it is. I got bean sprout and cut these loose out just because I don't like them. Now I got a Chinese sausage, then cut into strips. Next heat a pan and add a little cooking oil to fry the tofu. Cook them on a low heat. When they are golden brown, transfer to a plate and set them aside. Next, fry Chinese sausage. It doesn't take too long to cook it, just about 1 minute. Then take them out, leave for later. Next, I'm gonna cook in the sauce. Add a little of cooking oil. Add garlic. Add sweet white peppercorn. Chopped shallot step. Add chopped shallots. Then fry until they are golden brown. Then add 100 of pomegranate juice. Add 3 tablespoons of chicken stock, 4 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of fine spice. Then mix very well. After it's mixed well, I'm going to filter the sauce to make it smooth and look beautiful when we pour it on the noodles. Then put it back to the pan to cook again. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in water for make the sauce more thicker, stirring until it starts getting thicker. Then turn the heat off. Now I'm gonna start rolling noodles. I got fat line noodles. Place bean sprout on the noodles, 1 piece of the tofu, and 1 piece of the Chinese sausage. Then finely roll it. To make the noodles a little softer, warm it in the microwave about 1 minute before you rolling. And you can find fresh noodle at the Asian store. After finish rolling them, I'm gonna cut them into thirds. Then put the sauce on them and decorate with chili and green onion. Now it's time to taste it. Taste sweet, a little bit sour, and smell very good. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you like my dish, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.